You know, it's true. The best things in life are the people you love, the places you go, and the memories you make along the way.
Here we are celebrating Jacob's 20th birthday at Springfield, Missouri at Andy B's Bowling Alley and Game Room. This is a lot of fun.
It's always a good idea to look around when you first get somewhere to get a quick idea of the surroundings, and this place looks like it's going to be a lot of fun tonight. Now you can't go to a bowling alley without eating, and this place has some great food. Pizza, nachos, cheeseburgers, and hot wings. What more could you ask for? After eating, we decided to take a quick walk around to check out the game room and the bowling lanes. No matter your skill level, you are sure to find several fun games for everyone in your family. Here's Jacob's favorite game, The Wizard of Oz, but we'll get back to that a little later on. There are 20 old-fashioned bowling lanes in this side of the building that'll make you feel like you've stepped back in time. Luckily, we got here and reserved our lane before the rush hit. These 10 lanes are more modern. Watch the lane closely as the ball speeds towards the pin. It looks like a trail of smoke behind the ball. You never know what you're going to see projected on each lane each time the ball rolls toward the pins. If you feel like an adult beverage, head on up to the bar for a round or two. Just be smart about it. Since it's Jacob's birthday today, he was up first. Next up was Isaac. Next up, Alicia. And now it's Nikki's turn to round up the group. I've always thought it was fun to people watch, and you never know what they're going to do or say next, especially at a bowling alley. Listen closely to the background music. Listen close, and it sounds like one of the chipmunks is saying, "Go, Nikki, go!" Now it's picture time. Watch Alicia stand on her tiptoes, and Jacob squat down a little, trying to even things out. It's so funny. The oldest is the shortest, and the youngest is the tallest. That makes me laugh every time. Uh-oh. Brenda spotted me sitting behind her. Guess it's time for my picture now. Everyone smile. Now I just realized this wasn't the final scores. I guess we forgot to take a screenshot of that. But, oh well, they all had fun, and that's what really matters after all. Now let's head on back to the arcade. I've never seen this game before. See how full they can fill the toilet. Now watch close. Alicia's about to break this game. Here's Brenda trying her luck with a claw. Will she get it? Nope. But on the next try, she wound up winning 500 tickets. Way to go, Brenda. Here are a couple of other games that we've never seen before. I guess everyone loves trying their skills at pushing coins and balls over the edge. Here we are back at Jacob's favorite game, the Wizard of Oz coin and card pusher. The object of this game is to push the red and green tokens and the cards over the edge for lots of extra bonus points. Watch these cards, they're getting very close to falling over. Looks like he hit the jackpot. He ended up with a whole handful of cards and racked up a whole lot of points for some cool prizes. After adding up all of his tickets and looking at the prize selection, he decided to hold on to his game card so he could add to it the next time he comes back to get a great electronic item he was eyeballing. Smart kid. We all hope you had a great 20th birthday, Jacob, spending time with your friends and family. Keep smiling, always be sure to keep your friends close, use your head to make the best decisions, and know that we love you, little man. Wait, what's this? On our way out, we saw these two guys. Are they shadowboxing? Trying to grab things out of the air? Or what?